So today I'll finally get to start working on the wood parts. And the reason why it took so long is the fact that these are made out of rosewood. And rosewood is actually on the CITES list since January 1st, so it's very hard to get a hold of. Now, I was lucky enough to find this scrap piece of rosewood in my shop, and this is more than enough to be able to repair the tote. So what I'm going to do first is sand down these parts a little bit, and then I'll start working on the repair. Alright, so I've sanded this down to a 320 grit. I didn't sand out all the imperfections. It's still a vintage plane, so I don't want it to look brand new. But this is ready for refinishing. So now I'm going to start on the tote. So the first thing I want to do is make a cut approximately around here. I'm going to do that on the bandsaw so that I have a nice glue surface. So the glue joint is perfectly flat now. Next step is finding a good piece to match this. Alright, both surfaces are now dead flat. They fit together perfectly and the grain matches up nicely, so I think it's going to be a very good glue joint. Alright, so it's all glued up. It's looking pretty good. I already got one of these templates off of the Lee Valley website, and I marked out the parts I'm gonna remove with the bandsaw, and after that I'll do the final shaping. Alright, so I just did the final sanding. I couldn't be happier with how these turned out. I think if I would put some lacquer on this, the repair would be invisible, but really doesn't need to be, in my opinion. So I am going for an oil finish, and I think that's going to look very good on these. So here they are. They are all done and the repair came out looking great. So I think these are ready for another 100 years of use. Now, if you're interested in the rest of the restoration process, feel free to subscribe to my channel, and in the next part I will be flattening the sole and the sides of the plane. Thanks for watching.